Springs of Joy Ministries International and Joint Gospel presents Special Gospel Concert. Offer your praise. This is a ticket-only event with your host, Prophet Akwesi Agumine Prempe, guest artist Uche.
Everything a double, oh. Somebody scream!
Daughters of Glorious Jesus. This is Juliana Champong, Pastor Kwame Mponza, and the Hearts of Fire, Reverend Ose Coffee, Jojo Lawson, Springs of Joy Choir, The Crystals, and many more. This is a ticket-only event. Adults £15, children under 12 years £5. Offer your praise. See you there.